You're fine. Oh, sweet. We got a Roadrunner in here. Didn't even see it till now. Good looking unit. 440. Nice color, little bluish going on in there. Beep, beep. Got some Corvettes over here. Now that's cool. 27 Model T Ford. Original steel, they say. That's cool. There's my kind of car. There you go. That's, you know what's up. That's our Plymouth Barracuda. Got some more MOPAR in the house. Got some MOPAR in the house. Go Dogs. Red on red. Good looking car. Old Ram truck. You know we like those. Nothing special, but it's a good looking truck. Good everydayer right there. Nice and straight. Now, that's a cruiser. Got the rocket in there. Old Rust Rat. You're fine. Oh, sweet. We got a Roadrunner in here. Didn't even see it till now. Good looking unit. 440. Nice color, little bluish going on in there. Beep, beep. Convertible Chevelle. It's like a blurple purple kind of color going on.
Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful.
An old Cobra. Another Rust Rat. Another Rust Rat. Out of all them Rust Rats, I think this is the only one I'd want. Old 5 liter T-top notchback. Oh, excuse me, not a notchback, hatchback. Nice little Chevy Nova. Blue on blue. Very good looking El Camino. White, red interior. Of course, we got the Ram in the house. Got a Hudson Hornet up here. Twin powers. Look at that steering wheel. That dash is cool looking too. Good looking car. Ford Deluxe. Got a Mazda up in here.
So her name's Janita. She's got a 24 Mustang.
Got some military stuff going on. Shaggin' wagon. And this is the
See how much of that you're supposed to
Yeah, the little kids love them. Just crazy. Just crazy.
I like the color green. Got the green straps going on in there.
There's the 64 plate.
That's cool as shit right there. I like that. They trying to sell that car. And it's a 2023.
We've been looking for 3 hours.
Will you give me that water right now?
Damn!
I've heard you know for me to ask you to want for me.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, you crank it up, it sounds just like a bit.
Hey, gotcha. In the world is this thing? They're like a chopped Hummer.